We're on a small mission. Bob says there's beef Wellington in the galley.
Yeah, it's for the dinner that if you don't have dinner reservations, they always do something special.
So he needs to try it.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. Because, you know, we take the hits just for you.
Yeah, so we find out.
We gotta try all the
don't have
food
to.
and get full so you don't have to.
I'm about to barf.
You know how, like, cruise ship food, you just eat a lot? Guess what? We're eating.
But here's the thing.
This is pre-dinner dinner.
Here's the thing, okay? Not everybody can get reservations to restaurants.
True.
So when they learned this, they started doing a special dinner at the Dining Dash. And today it's beef Wellington
And butter chicken.
and butter chicken.
Yeah, so we're going to show you. This is what the butter chicken looks like.
rice.
Saffron rice and then truffle mashed potatoes.
Mhm.
Like, this is a big plate.
Yeah,
It's massive.
and you can get all of it.
And then guess what Bob got?
Beef Wellington.
Beef Wellington.
I've never had beef Wellington. I've never had beef Wellington. So I'm kind of interested in trying it.
Okay. Just because you can't get dining reservations in the restaurant doesn't mean you can't have a nice dinner.
Right.
So usually every night in the galley they have specials.
Yeah, it comes up on your Sailor app.
Yeah, so, and they'll tell you like what it is.
No, they don't really tell you what it is.
Well, I did see that they had butter chicken.
Oh, that's right.
Today.
Okay, but I didn't see the beef Wellington.
No, we didn't see the beef Wellington.
But look at that.
Yeah, that looks like mushroom
It is
duxelle.
mushroom duxelle.
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 So wow.
So I'm going to tuck in.
It smells good.
The truffle mashed potatoes are like overpowering.
Overpoweringly truffle.
Yeah.
Okay. You can go too far with the truffle oil.
Mm-hmm.
Like they give you like a big helping.
Oh my God. This beef Wellington is amazing.
Okay, the mashed potatoes are good. I keep smelling some funky
Truffle.
spice.
Oh, it's probably the saffron or the butter chicken. It's the curry.
Maybe it's the curry.
It's curry.
I've never had butter chicken before.
All right, my first beef Wellington. I'm digging it totally.
Digging it?
Yes. The mushrooms, the beef. It's like the pastry's salty.
Really?
Yes. So if you get like the meat, it doesn't have a whole lot of seasoning, but if you do it with the pastry, it's perfect.
Okay.
You want to try beef Wellington?
Yeah.
You gotta get mushrooms. Get the mushrooms. You gotta get the pastry too, because that's the salt.
That's good.
That is good. It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to be an extra virgin. You could come to the galley and eat just as good.
Yeah, have a really good dinner.
Yes. Good.
Or, you know, even if like you like have a dining reservation, but you're like, oh, I don't want to get dressed up. I don't want to change my clothes. I just want to go in a t-shirt and shorts with my flip-flops. Which you can still do at the restaurants too, but if you're just feeling like something super cash, they always have specials like this.
So this is our cheater dinner because we are going to another Rose later.
Yeah, we're not sure what the food's going to be like or if we're going to like it. So we didn't want to like be starving later.
So we have sushi in the room waiting for us after we get back.
Yeah, you can always take the grab and go stuff back to your room.
Yeah, they have salads and sandwiches and, you know, lots of good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It's guaranteed you won't go hungry.
No, you will not go hungry.
Hello, lovely.
All right, people. We are Scarlet Night ready. Look at Bob. He looks snazzola. Let me see the shoes and everything. Let me see the whole fit.
Everything.
Everything. Let's see the fit.
Everything.
Nice shoes. Very swank.
And this is the hottest lady on the ship. Ooh, poof, do, 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 do. Everybody, beatbox, go. Beatbox, go. Beatbox, go. Check out those cool sparkly shoes.
Well, I always wear these shoes.
And that sparkly jacket. She's a sparkle.
She's a sparkle.
We're gonna call her Sparkle.
Walk the runway. Walk the runway. It's your birthday. You have a party. I can't see you. Do it again. Walk the runway. Walk the runway. Do the stomping. Do the stomping. Okay, since you know magic, we watched part of the magic show.
Okay.
What do you think? What did you think of it?
They were decent.
Yeah?
It just took too long for the joke.
Oh,
It took too
yeah.
long for the trick.
Yeah, you like more like quick fire
The payoff
stuff.
was too
Yeah.
labored.
I mean, they were funny.
They were.
They were really
They
funny.
had some good jokes.
I liked their humor
But, you know, I just like the payoff to be a little faster.
with the tricks.
Yeah.
I bet it's hard for somebody that like knows magic.
Yeah.
You know, to watch magic. It's like being a massage therapist, going to a massage.
It's like it's not magic anymore.
You kind of know. You know how it works. Yeah. Yeah. So we're getting ready for dinner. We're all ready for Scarlet Night. And it's not paying attention to me. She's not paying attention to me. I know. That's part of her uniform.
Yeah, it is. No, it is.
Capes for everyone. Shut up.
Shut up.
Forget animals. Yes, capes. Yes, capes. So yeah, we're getting ready to do another rose dinner show. And it's Scarlet Night. You can tell, look. Everybody's wearing red. We're going into the balcony with apparently there's a million cocktails.
Cover me, I'm going in.
Good evening, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Fantastic.
The black tells us where we're sitting.
Oh.
Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts. When you say my name, but thinking of hers. I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind. Halfway from home, I picked up my phone. I stared at your face, but it's not your tone. Saying oh hello, who are you to call me late in the night? She says, I just gotta say that it's here with me. And
What do you think of the show?
You know, at first, it got really good though.
Yeah, it did get really good. At first I was like, what's going on? I didn't understand what was going on.
And then, you know, the singing is amazing.
Yeah, singing is amazing. So we'll tell you all about it later. Probably in
now
a
it's
separate
pool
video.
party.
It's pool party time.
Are we gonna climb stairs?
We gotta, I think we're gonna climb the stairs.
Let's go.
Okay, going up the stairs. How cute Bob is. You're just cute. Oh, my legs are burning. My legs. My legs.
We're on deck 16. We look down upon the people. We go down to see the people. And the people are praising us upstairs. Big money drink down! More drink! Woo-hoo! All right.
Big money,
Big money drink down. Drink number 5,500.
Woo!
I know.
Tell me a
Got it.
And I have a Negroni. It's kind of one of my new favorites.
It's good.
Yeah, and Bob got an espresso martini.
It's a good night drink.
Yes, from the Sip Lounge.
Oh,
Woohoo!
and Ruffy taking good care of me, man.
Good.
He made it strong.
Did he?
Yes. Drink number 5,601. Tomorrow we're gonna kill it.
Good job, Bob.
Yeah.
We got another. Wait, do it again. Okay. We got another espresso martini.
It's good to have coffee before bed.
Oh,
I sleep like a baby when I have coffee before
Okay.
bed because I am a freaking hyperactive weirdo. And coffee makes me calm.
hello. Oh no, I don't know
wait,
you.
there's something in my eye.
How you doing?
Good, how are
Good,
you?
how are you?
May we sit with you? But
Of course.
We'll have to
Yeah,
find
do you
a
want to
bigger
find a new
sitting area.
table?
The week first.
Okay, let's find a bigger
you go
table.
right ahead. Good morning, party people. Hello, hello, hello. Ahoy, sailors. I should say that.
It's day 5.
Look at this. Check out these tops that we got on, man. This is so cool. We stack.
Rockin'
Oh,
the-
look.
oh,
It's
look.
almost like together we
Cute.
make one octopus.
These are not Virgin branded
No.
sweatshirts.
These
We
are
found them
those, you know,
online.
like Chinese, get them 60 weeks later kind of shirts.
We forgot to close out the vlog last
So we're
night.
going to close it out now.
We
We
are.
had an excellent Scarlet Night.
We did. It was great.
I think they get better every time
I
we
think
go.
they do.
But
This
this
one was a good one, yeah.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
And we didn't get smashed.
Not really,
No,
no. We were like,
We had a nice even keel.
even when we talked to Kaya on the phone last night at 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning, she's like, you guys sound normal.
You guys are sounding normal, and you had Scarlet Night. Are you sure
Are
you
you
went to
sure you
Scarlet
went?
Night? I was
Yeah.
like, yeah, we
But
did.
it was good.
It was awesome.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. You met some people.
I met
some friends.
Kim and Doug.
Yeah, hi Kim and Doug.
Hi, Kim and Doug.
I'm
Thank you so much for stopping me,
Yeah.
and please, I hope we get to see you again on the ship today somewhere.
I'm sorry that I was like on
Yeah.
a tear
She
and I
was
didn't get
traveling
to meet you.
fast.
But hopefully I will get to meet you guys.
And by the
today.
way, she found her way home.
I did,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah.
I did.
Uh-huh.
It took a minute.
Okay, so we're going to plug this on the end of the vlog
Yeah.
from yesterday.
Yeah.
And
I
we're
also
gonna...
want to say hi to Nicola and Phil.
Hi, Nicola and
Hi
Phil.
guys. It's
Okay.
been fun hanging out with you guys.
Yeah. So, please, if you haven't already, hit
the
that subscribe button.
Ding the notification bell so you know when
Ding,
you post.
ding.
Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Okay.
And most importantly, keep watching. Yeah.
Bye.
Love you. Bye. Oh, wait.
Oh,
I gotta do it.
gotta switch the hat. Switch the
King,
hat.
king, king.
There you go.
There's the hat. Bye.
Bye.